paano ko ba matutulungan to? Paano ko ba siya may influensyahan to be a better versions of themselves? Along the way, made me better too. And that has been my passion until today. Many times that I speak to a crowd, if at least one person there gets to be influenced and remember a thing or two about what I said until tumanda na siya,
It's a big success.
it's a win na already
It's
for
a
me.
win for you
Yeah,
already.
Kasi you don't go after the entire crowd to believe you. Eh. You cannot please
Yes.
everybody, di ba? But at least one of them realized na you're the bald guy who talked to me and said these things. Eh. And hindi ko na kayang bayaran niya ng pera.
Yeah.
Yun yung purpose ko.
Yeah, kumbaga parang talikuran ka man ng lahat or maraming taong hindi maniniwala sa'yo and mawawalan ka ng gana. Pero as long as may isang taong naniniwala sa'yo at laging itataas yung kamay mo, the more na mas lalo ka dapat tumuloy sa
Yeah.
ginagawa mo or mas magpursige ka lalo.